Hi, beautiful! Today we're going for a sophisticated and timeless look. Classic red lips and winged liner. This is the perfect combination for formal events, date nights, or whenever you want to feel extra elegant. Let's dive into creating this flawless, polished look. First up, we're starting with a flawless base. You can choose between a matte or dewy foundation depending on your preference. I'm going with brand Type, which provides great coverage and leaves a smooth finish. Tip: make sure to blend well for an even airbrushed look. Next, for the eyes, keep it simple and classy with a light neutral eyeshadow. I'm using soft taupe or beige shades to add a little definition without drawing attention away from the bold lip. Tip: blend the shadow into your crease for subtle dimension. Now let's get into the winged liner. Start with a liquid eyeliner or gel for precision. Create a thin line along the upper lash line, then extend it into a sharp wing for that dramatic cat eye effect. Tip: for a more defined look, use tape or a business card to help guide the sharpness of the wing. The star of this look is the classic red lipstick. I'm using a rich red shade that's flattering on my skin tone. Start by outlining your lips with a red lip liner to make sure the lipstick stays in place and doesn't feather. Tip: choose a matte red lipstick for a more elegant, long-lasting finish, or go for a satin finish if you prefer a bit of shine. Finish the look with some light contouring to add dimension to your face. Keep it subtle with a bronzer under the cheekbones. And don't forget to highlight the high points of your face: cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Tip: you want to keep the contour natural but polished. So go light on the product and build it up if needed. And there you have it. A classic red lip and winged liner look that's timeless and perfect for any formal occasion. I hope you love this look as much as I do. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite classic beauty look.